everyone, and welcome to English Progress Hub, the place where we make learning English simple, fun, and practical. I'm Alice.
And I'm Will. We're so glad you're here with us today. How are you, Alice?
I'm great, thank you. Ready for another lesson? How about you, Will?
I'm great as well, thank you. Absolutely. Today we have a very important topic for you all. We're going to be practicing the present simple tense.
That's right. It's a key part of speaking English fluently. To help you master it, we've split today's lesson into 4 parts. Part 1 will be listening practice. Part 2 is all about phrases practice. Part 3 will have more listening and answers practice. And we'll finish with Part 4, a fun quiz to test what you've learned.
It's going to be a great lesson. Are you ready to get started? Let's begin.
Part 1, Listening Practice. Hi, are you Will?
Yes, I am. Are you, Alice?
Yes, it's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks. I'm happy we have time to talk. I want to practice my English.
Me too. Your English is very good.
Thank you. You too. So, let's start. I have some questions for you.
Okay, shoot.
First, what do you do, Will?
I am a teacher. I teach Spanish.
Oh, that's interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I love my job. I work with great students. And what do you do, Alice?
I am a graphic designer. I work in an office.
Do you work every day?
I work from Monday to Friday. I don't work on the weekend.
That's a good schedule. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock in the morning. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? That's early.
Yes, but I like the morning. I drink a big cup of coffee and I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and an egg. Sometimes I eat yogurt. I don't drink tea, I drink coffee. What about you? Do you wake up early?
No, I don't. I am not a morning person. I wake up at 8 o'clock.
And what time do you start work?
I start work at 10 o'clock. I teach in the afternoon.
That's a nice schedule. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I eat cereal with milk. I don't drink coffee. I drink orange juice.
Interesting. So we are very different in the morning.
Yes, we are. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually cook dinner. I like to cook.
What do you cook?
I cook pasta or soup. I like simple food. I don't eat meat. I am a vegetarian.
Really? I eat meat. I like chicken. Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I do. I watch movies on Netflix. I don't watch the news. It's too serious for me. What about you?
I read books in the evening. I don't have a TV.
Wow, you read a lot?
Yes, I do. I read one book every week.
That's amazing. I don't read many books. I prefer movies.
Everyone is different. What do you do in the weekend?
On the weekend, I relax. I go for a walk in the park. I meet my friends. We go to a café or a restaurant.
Do you go to the cinema?
Yes, I do. I love the cinema. I go to the cinema every Saturday.
That's cool. I don't go to the cinema often. I play football on Saturday.
You play football? That's so active.
Yes, I play with my friends. It's fun. What about Sunday? What do you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I clean my apartment. I listen to music and I clean. It's not very exciting.
I understand. I do the same. I clean my house on Sunday too. And I do my laundry.
Me too. I always do my laundry on Sunday. What other hobbies do you have?
I play the guitar.
Really? I don't play any instruments. Is it difficult?
It's a little difficult, but I practice every day. I like it. Do you have any hobbies?
I like to take photos. I have a good camera and I take photos of nature.
That's a great hobby. Do you share your photos online?
Yes, I do. I have an Instagram account for my photos.
I want to see. So let me ask you some questions now.
Okay.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It's small but comfortable.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't. I want a cat, but my apartment is too small. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. I have a dog. His name is Max.
Oh, I love dogs. Do you walk with Max every day?
Yes, I do. We go to the park every morning and every evening. He has a lot of energy.
That's so nice. I think this was a good conversation. We use the present simple a lot.
Yes, we do. We talk about our daily routines and our hobbies. It's perfect for practice.
I agree. Thank you, Will. It was very helpful.
You're welcome, Alice. Thank you too.
Part 2. Phrases practice.
What do you do?
Meaning, this is a common way to ask someone about their job or profession. Example, I'm a student. What do you do? I'm a doctor.
Do you like your job?
Meaning, a simple question to ask if someone enjoys their work. Example, you work so many hours. Do you like your job?
What time do you start or finish work?
Meaning, asking about the specific time someone begins or ends their workday. Example, what time do you start work in your new office?
Do you work every day?
Meaning, a question to understand someone's work schedule. Example, do you work every day or do you have a day off during the week?
I work from Monday to Friday.
Meaning, this phrase describes a regular weekly schedule. Example, my brother is a teacher, so he works from Monday to Friday.
I don't work on the weekend.
Meaning, this is the negative form, used to say what you do not do regularly. Example, she is a student, so she doesn't work on the weekend.
I usually wake up at
Meaning, usually means this is what you do most of the time. It describes a common habit. Example, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. to go to the gym.
I drink coffee. I eat toast.
Meaning, simple statements to describe daily habits, like what you eat or drink. Example, my father drinks tea every morning.
What do you do in the evening on the weekend?
Meaning, a great way to ask about someone's activities during their free time. Example, you seem busy. What do you do on the weekend to relax?
I watch movies. I read books.
Meaning, a simple way to state your hobbies or regular free time activities. Example, my sister reads books before she goes to sleep.
I go to the cinema.
Meaning, describes a regular activity or something you do often. Example, we love films, so we go to the cinema every month.
I play football. I play the guitar.
Meaning, used to talk about sports and musical instruments you play regularly. Example, my friend is very musical. She plays the piano beautifully.
Do you have any pets?
Meaning, a question to ask if someone owns any animals. Example, your house is very quiet. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Meaning, These are the standard short answers for do you questions. They are very common and important. Example: do you live in London? Yes, I do. Do you speak French? No, I don't.
I live in an apartment.
Meaning a simple statement to say where you live. Example: my parents live in a big house in the countryside. Part 3. Listening and answers practice. What does Will do? He is a teacher. He teaches Spanish. What does Alice do? She is a graphic designer and works in an office. Does Alice work on the weekend? No, she doesn't. She worked from Monday to Friday. What time does Alice wake up? She usually wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Does Will like coffee? No, he doesn't. He drinks orange juice for breakfast. Does Alice eat meat? No, she doesn't. She is a vegetarian. What does Will do in the evening? He reads books in the evening. Does Alice read a lot of books? No, she doesn't. She prefers to watch movies. What does Will do on Saturday? He plays football with his friends. What does Alice do on Sunday? She cleans her apartment and listens to music. Does Alice play a musical instrument? No, she doesn't play any instruments. What is Alice's hobby? She likes to take photos of nature with her camera. Does Will live in a house? The conversation doesn't say if he lives in a house or an apartment, but it mentions he cleans his house on Sunday. Does Alice have any pets? No, she doesn't have any pets because her apartment is too small. What is the name of Will's dog? His dog's name is Max. Part 4. Quiz. Alice works in an office. Will is a teacher. Alice wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. For breakfast, Will drinks orange juice. Alice doesn't eat meat. In the evening, Will usually reads books. On the weekend, Alice meets her friends. Will plays football on Saturday. Alice likes to take photos of nature. Will has a pet dog. And that's all for today. Great job, everyone! We hope you found this lesson on the present perfect useful.
You did a fantastic job. The most important thing now is to practice. Try to use a new phrase you learned today in a conversation this week.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, English Progress Hub, so you don't miss the next lesson.
Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.
Bye, everyone!